Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. And today, we are in the music shop, and we're gonna go and have a look at all the amazing musical instruments. Hoa ke tātou. Hoot, hoot. Ooh, I love the drums. Let's make a beat. I see some guitars. Let's go! Double bass. Whoa, this is a baby violin for the mice. Clarinet, saxophone. Ooh, I want it all. Look, it's all the guitars, whānau. Oh. Look, these are amazing guitars. You get some chords and you plug them in, you plug them into these. These are called amplifiers. Oh, when you plug them in, that's how it makes your electric guitar go. Come on. Whoa! Oh, call me Buzzhoven. This one's for all my cousins. I feel it out to sing a new song. When you hear it coming, well, it won't be long before I lift up the energy. I lift up the energy. I lift up the energy. Now tell me if you're feeling me. Well, we came to party and we came to dance. This is a music store for all my friends and me. We mash it up, yeah. We get it on, yeah. I'll say it one more time. Ka kite ano. Ka kite.